Good afternoon, friends and dear students. Today I am going to share my presentation on the lesson entitled The Third Level by Jack Finney. The source book of this lesson is Vistas from class 12th. I am Naran Matolia, PGT English from JNV Barginagar, Jabalpur, MP. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about the author, about the story, about the text and explanation. Then we are going to discuss about the theme, then the message of the story, important expressions of the story, and at last we shall see some important questions. Let's have a look on author. Jack Finney was an American author. He was born on 2nd October 1911. He passed away on 14 November 1995. His important works are science fiction and thrillers, including The Body Snatchers and Time and Again. Certain movies were made on his works, like Invasion of the Body Snatchers, The Invasion, Assault on a Queen, and he was conferred with many significant awards like World Fantasy Award, Life Achievement. Let's see the introduction of the lesson. The Grand Central Station of New York has two levels, but Charlie, 31-year-old protagonist of the story, a city dweller, declares that there are three and claims to have been there as well. Now we are going to discuss on the plot of the story. The story moves in the modern times and the period of 1890 or something. The main character in the story is Charlie, a man of 31 years old. He often travels to his place of working through the subway of Grand Central Station. Here, there are only two levels. From here, the trains leave for different destinations. Plot of the story continued. The timetables and railway officials mention only these two levels. But one day, Charlie discovers a third level. It is quite different from other two levels. Next point, here people dressed themselves like the people in 1890s. Tickets are bought in the old currency of that period. Then the modern currency is not valid there. The engines of the trains are old locomotives of that old time. Plot of the story continued. One can travel from here to anywhere in the United States. Charlie wants to buy two tickets for Galesburg from here. Charlie did not have the old currency of the 1980s with him. The booking clerk did not accept the modern currency from here. Plot of the story continued. So the other day, Charlie managed to get some old style currency to buy two tickets for Galesburg, one for his wife and the other for himself. Then he goes to Grand Central Station. At the end, we find the story moving around a fantasy and reality. Now, let's have a look on the theme of this story, the third level. Dear friends, in this story, the writer wants to convey that the life of modern man is full of insecurity, tensions, and worries, and so he is unable to cope with the tensions and worries of modern life. So he wants to escape from harsh realities of life, pretty but things were pretty nice and peaceful in the earlier times. People did not suffer from tensions. They led a simple and carefree life. They did not entertain fanciful and unrealistic ideas. They were neither dreamers nor escapists. They led a very contented life, peaceful life. Let's discuss on the important characters of the story. The first important character of the story is Charlie. Charlie, highly imaginative, sensitive, escapist. He was unable to cope with tensions and worries of modern life. He finds a third level for him, a waking dream, wish fulfillment, says his friend. Wants to escape to the peaceful world of Gelsworth. Charlie wants to forget the harsh realities of the world. Stamp collecting was his hobby that shows that he is an escapist. Loving and caring husband. We see Charlie as a loving and caring husband in the story. Charlie was intrigued by the mystery of the third level. Charlie is the representative of modern man who leads a life of insecurity and worries. Next important character of the story is Luza, wife of Charlie. Luza, Charlie's loving wife. When Sam, the psychiatrist, tells her that Charlie is unhappy, she does not relish his remark and becomes angry. She refuses to accept his statement and challenges it. Second important point about Luza is that Luza is a simple-minded woman. When the psychiatrist explains that modern man leads a life of insecurity and is full of tension and worries, she feels satisfied with this remark. It shows that she is a simple-minded woman. Next point regarding Luza. Luza concerned about her husband. When Charlie informs her about the existence of third level, she gets worried about her husband. She advises him not to look for the third level anymore, but when Charlie tells her about Sam's disappearance, she begins believe in third level. Both of them then begin to look for the third level every weekend. Sam the psychiatrist friend. Next important character of the story, Sam the psychiatrist friend. Sam the psychiatrist, true to his profession, as a competent psychiatrist, he correctly diagnoses his friend Charlie's ailment. Sam frankly tells him that he is an escapist and unable to cope with the tensions and worries of modern life. Further, Sam tells that like in any modern man, he suffers from insecurity. His hobby of stamp collecting is just a refuse from the harsh realities of life. For some, Charlie's claim of finding third label is just a waking dream fulfillment. Sam, as a psychiatrist, is straightforward and frank. Certain points more about Sam's character. As a person, he too is affected by the tensions of the modern life. He also seeks a refuge in the third level. At the end, he discovers the third level of Grand Central and goes to Galesburg of 1894. Dear friends, certain important personalities whom we come across in the story, let's see about them. First of all, President Roosevelt. President Roosevelt was born on January 30, 1882, and he died on April 12, 1945. He remained President of America from 1933 to 1945. Important personality we come across in the story is President Cleveland. President Cleveland was born on March 18, 1837, and he died on June 24, 1908. He remained President of America from 1885 to 1898. Then again, he remained President of America from 1893 to 1897. Third important personality we come across in the story is President James Garfield. President James Garfield was born on November 1831, and he left for heavenly abode in 1881. He was the 20th President of America. You can see the visuals also. Friends, certain expressions we come across in the story. First one is third level. What is third level? Here is explanation about the third level. A level, third level is a level on the Grand Central Station which doesn't exist in reality. For Charlie, as a modern man, it is a way of escape from the insecurity, fear, war, tensions, and worries of the present. According to his psychiatrist friend, it is a waking dream wish fulfillment. Another important expression we come across in the story, a first day cover. Means question may come in the exam. What is a first day cover? A first day cover means when a stamp is issued, stamp collected by some and use them to mail an envelope to themselves on the very first day of the sale. The postmark on such an envelope proves the date of issue of the stamp. The envelope having only a blank paper is called a first day cover. It is never opened. Now, recapitulation of the story. The third label. The third label, written by Jack Finney, blends fiction and reality. I repeat, the third label, written by Jack Finney, blends fiction and reality. It is also about a man's wish to escape from the harsh realities of present life. The third label is non existent in reality. It is a means of escape for the narrator, Charlie, from the harsh realities of the modern world. He tries to find a level of existence that will provide him peace, happiness, and tranquility. Point number five, he dreams of a fantastic world. Fantastic world means utopian world, which is devoid of tensions of life. Third label is fantastic world, which is yearned for by the modern man. Third label is a reality that exists only in the mind of the modern man. Third label, it does not exist in space and time. Next, one day Charlie was in a hurry to get to his apartment. He takes the subway from the Grand Central Station because it is faster than the bus. After first level and he goes to the second level, the suburban trains leave from there. He goes into an arched doorway heading for the subway and gets lost. It is quite easy to get lost there. The Grand Central is growing like a tree with endless corridors, doorways and stairs. He finds himself, Charlie finds himself on the third level. It is a different world. It is a unique world. He wants two tickets for Galesburg, Illinois, but his currency is different. He buys old currency, but he never again finds the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Central. His friend Sam disappears, nobody knows where, but Charlie suspects him to be in Galesburg as he was very fond of the place. Charlie finds out that Sam bought old currency worth $300. The most mysterious thing was that Sam was his psychiatrist. Dear friends, towards the end of this presentation, here are certain questions which are very important from the point of view of CBS examinations. These are the most expected questions. Question number one: the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry, and stress. What are the ways in which we attempt to overcome them? Question number two: what does Charlie experience on the third level? Do you think what he sees there is possible? Why? Question number three: apparent illogicality sometimes turns out to be a futuristic projection. Discuss. Question number four: what impression do you form of Charlie from your reading of the story, The Third Level? Question number five, the last question. Do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.